In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add navigational menu in Wix. All you need to do is head over to your Wix editor and then head over to the left hand side of the screen where you find the side menu right here. From the side menu, I want you to click on the very top button that says add elements, and then from these options go all the way down to menus and anchor right here. And then on menus, you have a few different options to choose from. You have theme menus, horizontal menus, vertical menus, and hamburger menus. For simplicity, I'm going to go to theme menus right here, and then I'll just add the top one right here. And then I'm just going to drag it to my header right here. As you can see, this is what my menu looks like. It's a bit big, so I'll just space it out a little bit. I'll bear in mind that even if you don't like the design, you can change this later on by pressing on this design button right here. And then you can choose any of the existing designs. Alternatively, you can also customize the design yourself by going through all of these different options right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add navigational menu in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.